Huh. You're eating my coat. You're eating my coat.
No, no, no. Come back to me. Come get out of there.
Vanessa, all the sand's gonna come out.
Come here. I'm gonna lock you up in there. Watch me. Don't say I won't. Come on, come on.
Vanessa,
Come
imagine he
on.
bites you.
I thought they don't bite. Come out. Come out. Ouch. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Now, I'm gonna lock it out so you don't go in there. Oh, what now? Whoa. Come here. No. Can't go in there. I'm not gonna let you go in there.
Stop eating my coat.
Come here. There you go. Don't fiddle on me. Don't fiddle. Come on now.
Vanessa.
No, you can't. No, you can't, sweetheart.
Oh my God, play with this one now.
No. Watch me get him. What the hell?
Yo, these things don't like me. Here. Oh, you let him in the house.
Vanessa. Vanessa, grab him and get him. Alright, come back now.
It's okay, sweetheart. I guess, are you still recording?
Yes.
I guess they like me better than you.
You know what?
Just because they don't appreciate my fastness doesn't mean anything. Look at him. Now don't do that. Don't be silly. Don't be a silly.
Walk it that way.
No, because then he's gonna go in that. Don't do that now. Don't do that. Don't be mean. Here.
Hold on.
Alright, I'm stopping this.